Alright, good morning. It is about 10:15-ish. I'm in Luton, and today we're doing Luton to Reading across the Chilterns. I've cycled across the Chilterns a few times, kind of west to east, but I've never gone north to south, so that's what's happening today. It's a beautiful day for it, so let's get started. Basically a straight line out of Luton following this what I'm guessing used to be a railway is now a busway. It's pretty cool, eh? Got a lovely headwind to start things off. change of scenery. We actually get a mini Vista here. Look at that. There's so much of this route where you're on top of a hill, you can see a giant vista, but there's like, you know, 2 or 3 layers of trees between you and it just gets pretty frustrating after a while. But it's opened up a bit now. It's been an absolute scorcher today. Need to stop and put more suntan lotion on. Actually, I'm getting a bit red. Let's see, there's about, I think about 30k left to go. It is 5 o'clock, so yeah, it's been a long day. I mean, we set off at what, 10:30, 10:45, something like that. Oh Christ, I need to change gear, hang on. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, so that gives you an idea of just the technicality of the route, because my average speed is only going to be about, I don't know, 14k something an hour, something like that. Yeah, it's been cool though, something different. I normally prefer like more flowy stuff, but throwing something difficult into the mix every now and then is nice. All right, let's see what comes up next. 6-kilometer road slog. I'm happy. I just want to munch some miles right now, so I feel like I'm getting closer to the finish. My body is done, fully cooked. Road slogging, oh yeah. The shadows are starting to get longer. I've still got about 5 hours until it's dark, so sweet. Oh, I fucking love summer. This winter This winter just gone was long and terrible. I'm so happy the sun's out and it's warm. And all the mud has disappeared from the trails. Life is good. More of this. Jesus, this isn't comfortable to ride. There are parts of this ride where I wish I'd brought my full sus. Never mind. Starting to see signs for Reading. Yeah, 100% I'm doing exactly the same route that I did on day 2 of London to Land's End, just in reverse. I didn't even realise that when I was planning it. This must have just been a generated bit by Komoot that just routes everyone this way. Yeah, I had no idea I actually went through Reading. Oh well. I did go past the station for Goring and Streatley and I thought, oh, I wonder if there's a train that goes to London from there. But I decided nope, we're doing the full thing. And now I'm somewhat regretting that decision because my legs are dead. Oh well. It's all fun and games. And if my maths is correct, which it probably isn't, there's only about another 5k or so. Let's do it. That was very hard. I'm going to bed. See you next time. Have a nice day.